In this video, I will show you how you can play YouTube music in the background on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the YouTube Music app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just tap on Set as Default. Then enable Open Supported Links. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Google Chrome on your tablet. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open YouTube Music on your tablet, then just tap on the three dots on Google Chrome. And from this list, just enable Desktop Site. As you can see, we have opened the desktop version of the YouTube app on our tablet. Now from here, just select the music which you want to play in the background. After you open the music which you want to play in the background, then just go to your home screen. Now if you swipe down from the top left of the screen and if you open the notifications panel, as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube music in the background. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.